Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello everyone, checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ, and it is it's weeks like this week where I'm glad I'm not a swing trader. I love being a day trader because this week has been insane in terms of closing strong on Friday, week open on Monday, closing strong on Monday, week open Tuesday, closing strong Tuesday, week open Wednesday, closing week Wednesday, strong open Thursday. 4 days in a row, the open and the pre-market action has been different than what the momentum has indicated heading into the previous day. The reason today was the tax plan vote, which was anticipated to pass by the House, and it did, so we didn't see a whole lot of volatility when that actual pass came through. But just the fact that this market has been so volatile with the pre-market action, and it's notable because over the past couple of months, I've been noting how, the market has been behaving really well, and we've been opening where we closed the previous day, and that has completely changed this week as we're seeing things shift around. The bottom line is the bulls are back in full control. That consolidation was extremely brief. And obviously the motivation today was that tax plan, which has pretty much been the motivation for the market to run in 2017. Ever since the election of Trump, the market took off in anticipation of the potential of these tax cuts. So as we get closer to anything following through with regard to that, the market is responding. We have to be cautious though, because if nothing comes of it, we're obviously going to see the market price that in and erase the action that we've been seeing up to now in terms of a whole lot of strength anticipating this tax plan going through. So the bulls are back over the middle Bollinger Band. We have broken the lower high pattern on the daily of 258.99 or 258.59, and we're really potentially going to test the all-time high tomorrow, 259.35. We got within 31 cents of that level today. Just a couple days of consolidation, news, a big catalyst for the bulls to just head right back up. And I'm very, very cautious in this market overall. I'm certainly not going bearish anything. Every time we see any kind of consolidation, the only thing that indicates to me is to potentially lighten up on bullish positions, but not go bearish. I don't know if it's going to take a black swan event or what it's going to be to derail the bulls, but nothing has shaken these bulls this year, and it's pretty astounding to watch. And the fact that, cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin hitting an all-time high as I'm speaking right now, everything is just running wild, and it has me very cautious. But again, certainly not going to fight the trend. Just cautious up at these levels and want to make sure we're protecting everything. We don't want to get caught in something that's going to see a big time pullback and really wipe out a lot of gains. We want to protect against that and ideally get stopped out of anything before any kind of significant dump were to happen. Not saying it's going to, just a word of caution when we are so overbought. When you see a weekly time frame doing this over an entire year and people are talking about the everything bubble, I'm not going to predict a bubble or anything like that. People have been talking about it for 8 years, but just caution. We just always need to be cautious and protect ourselves. So the bulls are in full control. We have the exponential supports holding on the weekly time frame, and the all-time high potential is there for the end of this week. IWM, big time follow through for the bulls. We had a lower high pattern on IWM for 7-8 days in a row. So breaking that lower high pattern was a clear signal for the bulls, and here we are back testing the middle Bollinger Band resistance, and we have rejected from this resistance level about 7 times in the past few weeks, and that's at 148.03. So we'll see if the bulls are able to get over that middle Bollinger Band and to regain the momentum. Certainly taking out, 5-6 days of pullback in one bullish day is a great start, and we now need a daily higher low and higher high to be looking right back at that all-time high. Weekly, big bullish reversal candlestick. This is a great sign for the bulls going into next week. After a month of consolidation, looks like we're ready for more upside. QQQ on the daily, also a huge move thanks to the tech sector really showing up in a big way. The break of 154.07 was bullish. The break of the all-time high was certainly bullish. And here we are back in full control of the bulls. Very brief consolidation. Didn't even lose the middle Bollinger Band on QQQ. And the bulls on the weekly time frame continuing strong again. So the tech sector saving the day, where we had the bearish reversal candlestick on the weekly chart last week. Not confirming it this week. It looked like we were going to, but all it takes is just one day and one bullish reaction for the bulls to completely negate any of that consolidation that we did see. So bulls in full control, not fighting the trend no matter what. Only thing that weakness would indicate would be to lighten up on any bullish positions, but the bulls are extremely strong time and time again, buying these dips, and we'll see if we can get this all-time high tomorrow. We'll see you over the weekend. Thanks.